Bahamians and visitors to New Providence are invited to experience Bahamian history up close and personal this Whit Monday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m.
We're going to have a reenactment. That's where the Defense Force officers participate in the periodic uniform. They dress. We have the heisting and lowering of the flag. We have the cannon firing. It's going to be awesome. We'll be displaying the baking of the bread and tarts by the use of Dutch oven. We're going to be demonstrating the washing and drying of clothes using the lye water as well as the Capholic soap that they use at that time. We'll also be demonstrating how the gooseneck iron was used at that time. So we're going to have an exciting time.
Christine Sawyer will also be taking part in the reenactments. A section of the fort will be transformed into Charlottesville, an 18th century village where Bahamians will be dressed in full costume and demonstrating the way people lived during that time period.
We have the cannon firing, the old days demonstration, talks, presentations, making homemade cookery, making the candies, bread, tarts, whatever you could think of in those days, we will be doing.
Davis added it is also a great opportunity to learn about the fort that unfortunately many Bahamians don't know much about.
It's the largest fort on this island. It was built in 1787 by a British governor. His name was Earl Lord Dunmore. He was also the governor here to the island at that time. It was built in anticipation of a French invasion, but the fort itself never saw any action.
For the Tourism Today Network, I'm Nakia DeVoe.